Hello, everybody. Today is Tuesday, July the 21st, 2015. My name is Michael of Global FX Club, and this is the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo daily video. Just before going forward, please do pause the recording and read over our risk disclaimer. All right. So as of recent signals, we closed out the pound dollar short. That was really the only trade so far this month. Really trying to hone in on trading less frequent but being more accurate. And then you can see we closed that out for plus 118 off of the nice short setup, and since then has really broken down significantly. But besides that, we're going to look at a couple trades from the Ichimoku perspective. All right, so here is the Aussie dollar. I'm actually going to shorten up this box for you guys and see that there. Again, for members, just sign into the members area and look at the daily videos. Then you'll see the different videos from the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo moving averages and Elliott wave slash price action videos daily. But here we have the Aussie dollar on a 4-hour time frame. Ichimoku, in our opinion, works very well when looking at a 4-hour time frame. Does work on shorter time periods as well, but just in my perspective, easier to do those with certain strategies, automated, and etc. All right. Now looking at the nice Aussie dollar, it's a nice breakout actually. Don't be surprised if we actually go ahead and take that trade. So members, definitely sign in, jump in the chat room, and look out for your emails. But a nice breakout from price action. Also, we have the Tenkin crossing over above the Kijun. Okay, and that's really the first time for quite a bit. But the mix of those two, price action and the crossover, paired with the cloud thinning out, and also don't overlook this fact that we have nice bullish divergence. So expect further gains on the Aussie to the top side. Could possibly run into that 79 area. Then we have the Kiwi dollar is doing the same thing. So very nice trade setup. Looking at the Aussie dollar. Same thing for the Kiwi. You have the nice breakout on that angle here as well. And let's look at the dollar CAD. Let's take off some of these drawings. All right, dollar CAD divergence is pretty apparent, right? Bearish divergence. So it looks like a run in favor of the commodities could be as we close out the month of July. Actually, that's going to be preferred. Dollar CAD looks to be the lagger. Okay, as we have the crossover didn't happen yet. The cloud is still bullish, but looking at the Aussie and the Kiwi, they seem to be the front runners. And pair that with the bearish divergence on the dollar CAD, I don't rule out that playing catch up. All right, looking at the crosses and relation to the Japanese yen. Okay, what we have here is similar action, except we have the crossover and prices now above the Ichimoku cloud. So that's very positive when looking at the Aussie dollar. Is that the Aussie yen is front running that. And then if you look at the Kiwi yen, same thing actually, prices breaking above the cloud, and CAD yen not there yet, but we can see that with the dollar CAD. Won't be surprised if we have news coming up into the latter half of the week that will really favor a push in the Canadian dollar. All right, now let's look at the euro dollar and the pound dollar. Euro dollar starting to get some headway. Okay, and very similar actions across the board, right? Nice rip above. Look for a pullback and then really play the favor of the trend. I like longs above the recent lows, above 108. And actually, recently, if you follow me on Twitter, my Twitter handle is RightFX. We recently had a nice interview with the people over at Forex News, and we call for this breakdown of 108.50, and now we're looking for 116. So keep an eye out on that angle. Your dollar is really playing out fairly well when looking at the LEA perspective, but even from an Ichimoku, now that crossover is showing some upside. We'll look for a break of the cloud and look for further gains on the euro dollar. And as that plays out, the same thing actually with the pound dollar. Pound dollar is above the 4-hour cloud. The future cloud is bullish and it is thick. So that is indicative of further gains for the pound dollar. Now all we need is for prices to really get back above 101.56 flat. But I do like longs against 155 first degree and then the 153.40 second degree levels. That's going to be a favored. But again, we already had a breakout in relation to price action, and we're still holding above that level. So even if we get a little bit lower, I like it. Again, still above that 154.50 first degree, and then again that 153.30 second degree for longs. All right. A back test may provide for a better level for longs, okay? Because if we pair that also with the Fibonacci retracement, we have the 61.8 fib at 154.60. So if you were looking to trade this, probably half at this area and then another half at 154.60. All right, so we're gonna stop there. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to email us at info@globalfxclub.com. Jump on Skype and Skype us at our Skype handle is Global FX Club. And at the same time, if you're a member, just jump in the chat room. Feel free to leave a comment, and then we'll be in there and we'll chat to you. All right, guys, cheers and good luck trading.